In a city that never stops rising, some homes rise above everything else. This is not just an apartment, it's a statement of success, privacy, and refined living. Designed for those who value space, light, and quiet luxury. Every detail here speaks elegance without saying a word. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the city like art. Day or night, the view becomes part of your lifestyle. Where modern design meets everyday comfort. A space created not just to cook, but to connect. Your private escape from the city's energy. A bedroom designed for rest, balance, and calm. Clean lines, premium finishes, luxury you feel, not just see. This isn't just where you live. This is where your next chapter begins.